If you're watching this video, you're probably waiting for a Social Security disability decision, waiting while your savings shrink, waiting while your body reminds you every single day why you can't work the way you used to. I see you, and I made something specifically for you. The SSDI process isn't just paperwork. It's months, sometimes years, of wondering if you'll be believed. It's trying to remember every symptom while your brain is foggy from pain or medication. It's stretching dollars that were already stretched too thin. My name is Beatrice Louisa. I'm a Social Security advocate, and I created the SSDI Resilience Kit because I got tired of watching good people crumble under a broken system. Here's what nobody tells you about the SSDI wait. You're supposed to be the expert on your own disability. The judges want specific dates, symptom patterns, medication side effects. But when you're in survival mode, who's keeping track? And then there's the money panic. Maybe your income got cut off. Maybe you're burning through savings. Maybe you're avoiding calls from bill collectors because you just don't know what to say. And through all of this, you're supposed to stay calm and collected. You're supposed to just be patient, but patience doesn't pay rent. And stress makes every symptom worse. That's why I created the SSDI Resilience Kit. It's 4 tools in one bundle, 2 for building your case, and 2 for protecting your peace. 1. The Medical Evidence Tracker. This is where you log everything. Every doctor visit, every symptom, every side effect. Because 6 months from now, when you're sitting in front of a judge, you won't have to rely on your memory. You'll have the facts right in front of you. 2. The Lean Living Budget Blueprint. Real strategies for stretching your money right now. Plus, and this is my favorite part, a Hardship Call Script. It literally walks you through what to say when you call your utility company, your landlord, your creditors. Because those conversations are terrifying, and you deserve to know that help exists. 3. The SSDI Journey Map. This is an interactive coloring page. Every time you complete a step, file your appeal, attend an appointment, submit documentation, you color in a milestone. Some days it feels like nothing is happening. This map shows you that you are moving forward. 4. Words for the wait. Affirmation cards. 9 printable cards with phrases to ground you on the hardest days. Put them on your bathroom mirror. Tape them to your fridge, because your worth is not tied to your productivity, and you need to hear that. Here's how you actually use this kit. First, start the medical evidence tracker today. Not when you have a hearing scheduled. Today. Every week, take 10 minutes and log what happened with your health. This becomes your evidence. Second, use the budget blueprint right now. Don't wait until you're drowning. Call your utility company this week. Use the script. Ask about assistance programs. They exist for people exactly like you. Third, print out that journey map and stick it somewhere you'll see it. Every single step counts. Every form you fill out, every medical record you request. That's progress. Color it in, celebrate it. And finally, cut out those affirmation cards. On the days when the wait feels unbearable, read them. Out loud if you can. You are not a burden. You are doing hard things during a hard time. Listen, I'm not going to tell you this kit will speed up your decision. The system is what it is. But what I can tell you is this. You'll walk into that hearing room with organized evidence. You'll have strategies to protect your household while you wait. And you'll have visible proof that you haven't been sitting still. You've been fighting. You are your own best advocate, but you don't have to do this alone. The SSDI Resilience Kit is available as a digital download. That means you get it immediately, no shipping, no waiting. High-quality PDFs you can print at home or use on a tablet. The link is in the description below. If you're in the wait right now, I made this for you.